Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we're going to show you how to change map position in Dota 2, so you can adjust your HUD to match your comfort and play style. Step 1. Changing map position in Dota 2 is very simple. Start by clicking the Settings button in the top left corner of your screen. Step 2. Once the Settings menu opens, click on the Games tab. This is where most of the interface and layout settings are located. Step 3. Now look for the minimap, then a section labeled Map Position. Here, you can choose whether you want the minimap on the left or right side of your screen. Step 4. Simply click on your preferred side, and the minimap will move instantly. This is helpful for left-handed players or for personal preference during matches. Step 5. After selecting your side, press Escape to close the settings, and you'll see the minimap positioned where you chose. It's that easy to customize. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more quick and helpful Dota 2 tutorials.